Bakery Ingredients Market, 2026 to 2034. Industry Overview. The global bakery ingredients market size was valued at 18.1 billion United States dollars in 2025. Looking forward, Amark Group estimates the market to reach 26.26 billion United States dollars by 2034. CAGR of 4.22%, 2026 to 2034. Regional analysis. North America, Asia Pacific, Europe, Latin America, Middle East and Africa. Asia Pacific, accounting for 35% of the share, enjoys the leading position in the market. Analysis by application: breads, cookies and biscuits, rolls and pies, cakes and pastries, others. For more information,